Welcome everyone to our video on how to sign up for EdPuzzle and upgrade to our Exeter Pro teacher account. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to edpuzzle.com, and then you are going to sign up as a teacher. Connect with Google. Make sure you're logged in to your Exeter Google account. Tell it to allow when it wants to access your Google account. Agree. And now you'll be logged in. And then we're going to click on your icon here, and you're going to upgrade to a school code. So I'm going to come over here and snag the high school's code. Go back, I'll paste that in. Apply it. It's going to send you an email. And you're going to need to go and check your email. Verify your email. And then you're going to be logged in and ready to go. And then from here, you can add classes. So you're going to import from Google Classroom. You'll see the list on the left. Find the one that you want. Import your class. Go over and double check, make sure you have your students in. If you have any new students enter your class or students leave, you'll just resync your students and it'll pull everybody that's logged in to your Google account. So there we go. That's your lesson on how to get logged in so that you are ready to use your EdPuzzle Pro teacher account.